Welcome back to Forestry Pulse, the channel where we dive deep into the world of forest machines, logging trucks, and heavy equipment in action. First of all, take a look at this powerful JCB working deep inside the forest. Its massive blade is designed to clear the way, cutting through dense brush and removing small trees and shrubs with ease. In the forestry industry, road building is not just preparation, it's the backbone of the whole operation. Now, watch this green-colored skidder as it goes into action. Skidders are specially designed to collect and move heavy logs from where the trees are cut down to a central loading area. This powerful machine grabs onto entire bundles of timber and drags them effortlessly through rough terrain. The skidder's grip is strong and steady, holding the logs tightly while moving across the uneven forest ground. Its large tires are built for extreme conditions, helping it travel through mud, soft soil, and steep slopes without hesitation. You can see how easily it manages to carry such a heavy load while maintaining balance and traction. Here we have a yellow log loader operating in the middle of the forest. This machine is designed specifically to pick up logs and load them efficiently into trucks or containers. Its built-in crane provides incredible lifting power, making the job faster and more precise. Notice how smoothly the loader handles each tree. The crane's arm stretches out, grips the timber, and lifts it with ease. The operator carefully maneuvers the logs into position, stacking them neatly for transportation. The large wheel set allows the loader to drive across different kinds of surfaces, whether it's dirt, gravel, or uneven ground. Next, take a look at this unique bell machine. Unlike most loaders, this one operates with 3 large tires, giving it a very distinctive look. Even though it may seem small compared to other forestry machines, it is incredibly powerful and efficient at collecting wooden logs. Now watch this heavy machine as it pushes through a muddy puddle filled with water. For many industries, this would be a serious challenge, but for forestry, it's just another normal day. Rain and wet conditions are common, and machines are designed to keep working no matter what the weather brings. The tires grip firmly as the machine drives straight through the water. Even with a full load of logs, it moves forward with confidence. The operator doesn't hesitate, knowing the machine is built to handle this type of rough terrain. These moments show the strength and reliability that make forest equipment so impressive. Such challenges are part of the daily routine in logging operations. Mud, water, and slippery roads can't slow these machines down. Instead, they power through, saving valuable time and keeping production on schedule. But sometimes, even the strongest machines can get stuck. Here we see a green forestry machine loaded with logs completely trapped in the mud. Heavy rain and soft ground can create situations where the weight of the machine becomes too much for the surface to handle. The wheels spin but fail to grip, sinking deeper as the operator tries to move forward. It's a reminder that nature is always in control, no matter how powerful the equipment might be. Situations like this are frustrating but also common in the logging industry. Here we see a great example of teamwork in the logging industry. Two powerful machines are moving through deep, muddy terrain. To make sure the operation continues smoothly, the operators connect them with a strong cable. This way, if one machine slips or begins to sink into the mud, the other can immediately provide support. The lead machine is strong enough to pull the second one forward if needed, while the second machine is prepared to give extra support if conditions worsen. This kind of preparation is what keeps logging operations efficient, even in unpredictable environments like muddy trails after heavy rain. Here we see another log loader facing one of the toughest challenges in forestry, getting stuck in deep mud. At first glance, it seems like the machine is trapped with no way out. The heavy load, combined with the wet and soft ground, makes the situation even more difficult. This is a common problem during rainy seasons, when the soil loses its strength and becomes slippery. Oh my god, take a look at this unbelievable scene. An orange man truck is carrying not one, not two, but 4 Caterpillar machines all at once. What do you think about this scene? Should such loads be allowed on public roads, or is it too dangerous? Share your thoughts in the comments below. This one is definitely worth discussing. Now watch this closely. A red truck is about to cross a man-made wooden bridge over a large river. The bridge has no side barriers, making the crossing even more dangerous. To make things worse, this crossing is happening on a rainy day. Wet would become slippery, reducing traction and increasing the risk of accidents. Next, we see a white Scania truck attempting the same dangerous crossing. Once again, the truck approaches a wooden bridge. With its heavy load and long frame, balance is everything. The driver must keep the truck perfectly aligned with the planks of the bridge. Now, look at this incredible scene. A massive 22-wheel truck is making its way across a wooden bridge over the river. The sheer size of this vehicle makes the crossing look almost impossible. The bridge creaks under the weight, yet the driver presses forward with steady control. A truck with so many wheels is designed for carrying extra heavy loads, but crossing a narrow wooden bridge is still a major risk. The driver must position each wheel carefully, keeping the truck aligned so that no part slips off the side. The longer the vehicle, the more difficult this becomes. Finally, we see multiple trucks passing the wooden bridge one after another. What might look shocking to outsiders is actually normal daily life in the forest. These wooden bridges are not temporary shortcuts, they are part of the regular road system in logging areas. For drivers, passing such bridges becomes routine, even though the risks remain high. They approach with confidence, knowing their machines and their skills can handle the challenge. The bridges may be narrow and shaky, but they are trusted by those who use them every day. That's it for today's video, and what a ride it has been. We've witnessed the strength of forestry machines, the bravery of operators, and the unbelievable determination of truck drivers taking on challenges that most of us could never imagine. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more powerful machines, daring drivers, and behind-the-scenes looks into the logging world. Until next time, this is Forestry Pulse bringing you closer to the forest like never before.